Hi Nifties, welcome to Nifty's English. Today I will explain about the my pet parrot. Okay, this is a simple sentence. Okay, let's start the lesson. My pet parrot. Okay, let's write. My pet animal is Maimu. It is a parrot. Its color is green. It has two wings. It can loud squawk. It can loud squawk. It has two legs. I like very much Maimu. Okay, that's it. This is about my pet parrot of simple sentence. Okay, that's it. Please subscribe and press the bell icon. Thank you. Keep supporting us. Have a great day, all of you. We will meet next video. Okay, bye.